We just got to stop sacrificing with ourselves, man. Brothers, we need to stop sacrificing with ourselves. Ukuba izimvu zemhlatshelo. Ukuba imvana. You know, and it's high time men love themselves. It's rare where you'll find a man loved for being a man, not for his money, not for his power, not for his things, just to be loved because you are a man. It's hard, but a man loves a person for who they are, what they are, how they are, without anything attached. You know, without anything that, you know, they're attached materialistically, financially, and so on. And that's where we get hurt as men. Siyakwazi uku-accepta abantu njengoba benjalo kodwa wena kuba nzima ukuthi uacceptwe unjalo munganalutho uyalahlwa kuyasho ukuthi uyasetshenziswa umshini uyasetshenziswa you are a mule uyasetshenziswa bafethu we have to love ourselves pain yabona we are dealing with sensitive issues every day. But one thing you can tell ukuthi common ukuthi sithanda abantu kakhulu. And ukuze abantu basithande kufuna ukuthi thina sisithande kuqala. Ngoba ukungayithandi kwethu ikona futhi okuphinde futhi ukuthi amadoda agcine enza izinto ezingathandeki ngenxa ukuthi awasithandi. I hope someone matured can hear what I'm saying and not generalize what I'm saying. It's too deep, and if you are still feeding on milk, you wouldn't understand it. Agcina amadoda enza izinto ezingathandeki ngoba engazithandi. Ngaleso sikhathi ethenziwa yini uthando. Ake sisithandeni kuqala ngoba uma uzithanda wena kuqala uthando lukuwe uzokwazi ukwala ngawe masubona la ngathi kudlalwa ngamwale ngawe and withdraw, you know, no matter what, you know, you will just withdraw uphume lapho ungakenzi ingozi ugcina wenza ama mistake sekushona abantu kwenzakalani uphume kusasekuhle because uzobe unalento ukuthi uthando likimi. And I always tell men, share love, share it. Don't give your whole heart and we nigga. Then usala nani wena? Usala nani? Because this is into ezenza ukuthi abafowethu babe so vulnerable and broken. I know physically we are strong bafethu, and I know emotionally we are not. But ifunda ukwala ngawe yabona uthando maliphuma ngaphakathi kuwe lungekho komunye umuntu ukuzo wena uzwe uzithanda. Kungathi makufanele uzwe ukuthi wena uyazithanda and uhappy ngawe kuba ukuthi wenziwa ngomunye umuntu akuphume kuwe lokho. Make yourself happy, be happy on your own, find happiness from within, be happy, be satisfied ukuba nguwe, ujabuliswe ukuba nguwe, appreciate ukuba nguwe, waneliswe ukuba ngukuthi you know what, I'm satisfied and enough and sufficient and complete with myself. So whoever comes in your life, it's a cherry on top, mfethu. They don't come to, you know, complete you, but just to compliment you. Because you are complete, somebody is going to find you complete. And then masawuzwa ukuthi ngathi akuhambi kahle lana kudlalwa ngami uzoshesha ukwazi uzokhona ukushesha ubone and uzokwazi ukuphuma because uyazithanda uyazi ukuthi uzokhona ukufunctiona nawe uyi-one. Because lokhu amadoda adlula kukho kugcina sekulimaza nezingane zingasakhona ukuba nabo baba. Because ubaba ulimele yabona kuningi okwenzakalayo, abanye bathatha impilo zabo, abanye baphelele emajele, zonke lezi zinto lezi. Bafowethu, it's high time. 2025 is the year of men to love themselves, and Hila Ndoda is here to do that, to help men to realize kunamadoda angasaziboni bafowethu, namadoda angasaziboni. Umuntu athi angikhona ukuphila ngaphandle kusho ukuthi wena awukho enough ukuthi ungakhona ukuphila nawe, so ngaphandle komunye umuntu kusho ukuthi kwawena uziboni somehow. If ungakhona ukuphila nawe, kumele uhile to a level whereby uthi yazini, I can't live without myself. No, I can't function without myself. I can't live without myself. Once you grow to that level, you will know ukuthi yazini, you have arrived. Wala ngawe uyazithanda, ozayo kuwe uzokucomplimenta, not to complete you. Because the minute you think and believe that you are not complete, uzoba nenkinga mfowethu, kuzodlalwa ngawe and kuzofreyfwa ngawe. Asizithande bafowethu kulonyaka lona. Let every man show love to himself. Iqala ngawe bafu, ukuze people who are around you and your life bafeel loved. You have to love yourself first. You have to be happy first. You have to love yourself first, because if you are happy, then everyone around you will be happy. If you love yourself, then everyone around you will get that. So our kids in life need us sizithanda, sikwazi ukuzivikela from ekungazithandini kwethu. And Hila Ndoda ila ukuzosiza amadoda ngaloko. We are very gentle with men. That is why we don't want men to hold back. Speak. We will help you, and we will take our time and make sure that we help however way that we can help, ngakhona, as long as it's going to benefit you, the people around you, your marriage, your relationship. If you have a good person in your life, if you're in love with a good person who respects and loves you as a man, not what you have, but who loves you. We're talking about those ones, those souls. So bafethu, asiyekeni ukusacrifice ngathi. Sifikile isikhathi sokuthi indoda iqale izithande, ngoba mfethu ngeke bakuthanda abantu ungasithandi. Angeke baze bakuthanda abantu, ngeke babe nendaba nawe ungenandaba nawe. Asisithandeni bafethu, asisithandeni bafethu. Wozokhala kithi sizokulapha, siHila Ndoda umsebenzi wethu sokulapha up to Z ube right, but after that mfethu, it's all you, because you've made everything about everybody else. But what about yourself? Have you ever thought of yourself? Ukuthi nawe uyayidinga ikhe, uthande, ihagi, not ukuthi hlale kuba nguwo haga, kuke kuhagwe wena, kuke kunakekeleke wena. We understand? So it's high time we do that, guys. And Hila Ndoda loves you, and have a beautiful weekend.